Vegas. I'm not greasy, it's Aquaphor. Just saying. Okay, so I actually didn't pack my carry-on yet. It's now 8:11 because I have all the stuff like laid out. Like I need nothing else. And then I did my nails. It's definitely not winter vibes, but like I just did my toes white. I have to leave for work in about 45 minutes. But I got this shirt I ordered in the mail and I packed it. So I think I'm pretty good with my suitcase. And then all my carry-on stuff. Still all right here. I think I'm gonna do some bio work. Okay, I finished my notes. They're ugly. I did them so quick. Like literally, it's so bad, but it's fine. Okay, got through TSA. Also just got Dunkin'. They had to pat me down because I had a sweatshirt on. And our bags got taken, but then they got sent back through the machine and they were fine. So I think something happened to their machine. I just walked past everyone. Oops. Say hi to Ella. Haul. Camel swirl black, medium hot. I got a mango pineapple refresher. You know, didn't want caffeine in a way in the morning. And then I got with bacon. You should edit it to when you open it, it's all like lit up and it looks like heaven. And that sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant. Little manhandled. Little manhandled. And a little burnt, but you know what? It's warm, it's hot. I like that. Yeah, not toast. It's toast like not at all. Can I have a little nibble of the corner? I know. It's just like we're on the plane. We're row 7, so close to the front. I'm taking Bo 9 right now. I love Bo 9. It tastes so good. And started reading. And I'm counting the amount of people I know coming on this flight. So far we're at like 7. And I guess 10 or 12.
And allow those behind you to pass. Once again, we do have a come.
There's a pyramid. Look, there's a pyramid. There's one of the ancient pyramids. The ancient pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Gaza. Shut up, you're yelling. Meal tour. French toast at 1 a.m. p.m. Oh, this is my burger. That is my fries. And this is my ketchup. What'd you get?
Our salad.
Nice. I'm in a food coma. Devoured.
I'm gonna have some of her French toast because I'm hungry too.
I just want to try it. It looks going back. I really, really, really hope our room is ready. If it's not, I'm not gonna be happy. Not at all.
Thank you. Yourself? Good.
Thank you. Luggage is here. This is our room, by the way. Okay, view. Look, and we have the mountains in the back. They look so much cooler in real life.
What's the last name, so?
But like, hello? Okay, we just got into a little bit of a pickle because we had zip ties. We couldn't cut because we didn't have scissors, but then we found scissors, so we got them. Now I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna kind of change, hopefully nap, and then I have to go to the top of the Eiffel Tower. Outfit. Corduroy passed down brown shirt from Amazon. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? Yeah. And then boots. I don't know where from. Yeah.
Nev, you can see the sphere.
Oh my gosh.
No way. No way, bro. Look how cool. Oh my god, I literally just can't even. I can't even
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog. Oh my god, are we filming for YouTube?
Yes.
Yay. Okay. No, you can't see this right
Oh, sphere?
Yeah, but that's like. Oh, this is
It's so pretty. Why is it? It's like so bright on camera.
Yeah, we can really feel it from here. Is it in your vlog?
Yeah. I don't really think you're supposed to film in casinos, but like, womp womp. Hitting his elf bar. Okay. We went up to the top of the tower, and then we went back to my room. I changed out of my corduroy and put sweatpants on, and then we went to our friend's room, and it's 11:17, and I'm tired. I've been up for like 20 hours with like a 2-hour nap, and I'm tired, so I left. No one was leaving, and I was waiting for people to leave, but then I was like, womp womp, I'm leaving, I'm tired, so I left. And now I'm walking back alone, and I'm a little scared because Vegas, if you know, you know. It's a little sus sometimes. I just wanted to show you like inside the hotel because it's so cool, and I feel like I haven't shown it much. Like, this is inside. It looks like Mexico and Epcot, if you've ever been, with the fake sky. And it also, the buildings look like Ratatouille in Epcot as well. In France, not Mexico. Reki. I got a crepe and eggs Benedict. I'll show you when it comes. What'd you get? I got organic peach yogurt with a side of chicken sausage. Wow. Ooh, oh, yeah. Okay, we went shopping. Ella got 2 shirts.
When I went on a cruise?
What? I'm having a snack. Breakfast protein, peanut butter, banana, dark chocolate kind bar. It is currently 1:22, and my meet's at 3, so I'm gonna start getting ready. Look at the mountains, bro. I wish I could turn the camera around. Like, hello? It's like weird when you aren't used to that, but like, getting ready. Whoa. I'm ready. And I'm going now. My stomach hurts. I had like a cracker cheese and turkey thing. Oh, my stomach hurts so bad. It's not a good decision. Okay, we just competed, about to do awards.
Say call mom.
Yeah,
She has her phone in her hand.
it was rough. I paused on bars. I took 3 attempts on vault because it was not set up right. And if you don't know, you're only supposed to have 2. Floor, they gave our whole team low scores even though they were good. and they were giving other people high scores. Don't know what happened there. And
My grandma told me
B,
I looked amazing.
I did good. I got a. Here, I'll show you my score. Here are them. Pause if you care. Bean floor all around placement. Let me see your blue.
Eighth place ice. Wait, is it real? Is it real? Is it real? Is it real? We should recreate that photo in Florida.
We are now at Gordon Ramsay's Burger. Is that, what is it called? Yeah, Gordon Ramsay Burger. King. Yeah. That's all. Okay, it's after dinner now, but I'm gonna show you anyway. This is a fit. Amazon, Kohl's, TJ Maxx. They're Kendall and Kylie jeans. Whoa. And blazers. The necklace is like kind of from Amazon, and I kind of made it also. The charms, they were from a different necklace, but the necklace was like bad and rusting, so I took it off and put it on this. Anyways, yeah. I'm in the elevator going down because I woke up and my mom and stepdad, their Pop-Tart comes away. We're not there, so I'm going to see them. This is the fit. Nike, Amazon, American Eagle on my mom. We're going to the Malaysian Hotel, and then the Sphere, and then dinner, and then the Cirque du Soleil. Cannoli. It was pretty good. And she got coffee. I did.
Now, this is a segment for your vlog. So we are at the Venetian. You're here too, but I don't know where you are.
Wait, she's here?
Yeah, I called her.
Where?
I don't
Did
know.
she already go on it?
I don't really know, but she's here.
Why don't you call her?
I did call her already.
Did she answer?
Yes.
So what did you talk to her about?
I just asked her if she was here.
And she said yes, and y'all hung up.
Kinda. I didn't know if she would want to hang out with me, so I was just like, oh my god, like if I see you, I'll say hi. Okay, so, I don't know, I'm sure you already have a clip, but this is like a cool segment of me and Samantha. So we're at this ride. Wait, hang on. Okay. And they sing to you, they go like, ah. This is for Nev. Nev's got a YouTube channel and she vlogs, so I'm gonna vlog too. Hi to Nev. Oh wait, this is Neve. Okay, I'll update you after this experience. I think I'm gonna laugh, but we'll see. Do you have any like expectations?
When I was walking here, I was like, it's really not worth it.
Oh, she thinks it's not worth it, so we'll see if our expectations change.
I want the little emoji guy. I don't want the sphere. I want the emoji guy. What the heck?
Only here one in each spotlight.
Oh, that's gonna be so
In
lit.
the first spotlight, blue, listen for the language of Arabic. In the yellow spotlight, listen for English. In the pink spotlight, you will hear Mandarin Chinese. In the white spotlight, you will hear Spanish.
Oh, Espanol. Espanol. This is our reaction.
En 2019 empezó la construcción de lo que se convertiría en la estructura esférica más grande del mundo. Con 157 metros de alto.
I honestly just feel like it's a bunch of speakers put together. I really... It's just which speakers directed our way. Wow. I mean, I couldn't really hear this from back there.
That was kind
I was thinking it was going to make me fluent for some reason.
That was mega stupid.
I think I could have done that in my own work.
This is the sphere, by the way. BT dubs.
Do you think we could like American Ninja Warrior?
No,
on these
what's
things?
this?
It's an avatar sphere. It's like, come on, F.
What's happening? Let's watch.
There's gonna be like a Bitmoji.
Is he gonna be the Giga Chat master? Oh, you put in your email.
Your video will be emailed shortly. That's lame. I was so excited to watch something
Wait,
cool.
do you want to do it? It is a long line. Fit check. Amazon. TJ Maxx. Don't know the boots. Same necklace, same earrings. I didn't actually say. You don't care about jewelry. What are you wearing?
I don't have my white thing over jeans, and then maybe
Where are
my
they
dots.
from? Dogs?
Shein, my white
Vera Wang.
This was from Vera Wang. I didn't know. This was from Santa.
No, that's from Nana, and that was Vera Wang.
My hair.
Okay, I didn't film any of dinner, but I will insert photos, or they're already been inserted, I don't know. But we're at the Cirque du Soleil O show. It's the only water one right now. Just photobombed. Anyways, well, I just photobombed. She just has a picture of a guy. They noticed my... Wow. We're on a tour.
4.2 miles long.
The Dorito
Everybody wants to walk the strip until they do. And they're like, let's get an Uber. You walk the whole strip? 4.2 miles? So first of all, right here's a good spot to get the 7 lined up behind you in a picture. And then a couple other persons.
Pretty at the Hoover Dam.
It's so cool. $19.50. What the flip, bro? It's a lot bigger IRL. In real life. Look at, there's a chopper. Pretty epic. Wait, Arizona's there. Nevada. I'm gonna go stand in both states and in both different time zones. It's crazy. Ella's currently walking back and forth watching her clock on her watch because it's... Okay, ready? Nevada. Arizona.
I'm going crazy.
Oh.
Nevada, Arizona, Nevada, Arizona.
No. Double whammy. That's Sam's nickname for me. She calls me Nevada. What is she doing?
If I make a mark on this thing, it's a $250 fine or imprisonment. It was made in 1935.
Should we do a little... That was scary. What the heck? Do you want to... Here, pose.
Victor.
Pose in the both states.
Which one? I don't know. Out of nowhere.
Ella, what you looking at?
Little chipmunks.
Oh my goodness. The camera doesn't... It looks so boring on camera. You know what I'm saying? Wait a minute. Here we go. She's gorge. Nap, I guess.
Cool thing.
Subway.
Everyone have what they need?
my 6-inch. Everyone got a foot long. I feel left out.
You're okay?
But I have Cheetos too.
Okay, so about an hour.
We are at the largest Joshua Tree forest in the U.S. or the world. Look at them. And we get the pretty mountains and the Joshua Tree. Can I touch it? That's too far. They're actually not wood. Oh, spiky? Should we touch a spike? No, I'm not gonna touch a spike. I almost forgot the vlog, y'all. Hello? Oh. I forget where this is. It starts with a G. I don't know, something. It's the west of the Grand Canyon. You can look it up if you care. Munchy, 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 munchy.
Well, we walked up and you were already ready to order. I was like, all right, well, I'll get you some.
Good job, man.
My name's Joe.
Joe?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Me up.
This is for Joan. And you know I ain't got no microphone, but I got a cup and I don't give a fuck. Put a buck in my cup. I will shut the fuck up. If you put a buck in my cup, I am going to shut the fuck up. I am a socket, daddy was the plug. He came up and he gave me some love. We don't give a damn what anyone say, cause the child support just got paid. Jiggy, 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 just got paid.
Yummy. Oh, man. That's actually a pretty big bite. I'm gonna eat it in two.
Mass produced.
Tastes like cheesecake. No. Making a mess. Cranberry muffin. Yummy. Nike blazers, Nike sweatpants, thrifted, Amazon. I'm on Celine. Shout out Celine. Ella on Hope. Yep.
It's the wrist section that confuses me. Oh my god! It was good. It was buff. I had yummy salmon. I rode a little horse.
How was the horse ride?
Oh, so much fun. I liked the lasso.
Yes. I didn't include your lasso videos. Because I don't have them. I can if you want.
I like
Going home today. This is the airplane fit. Hi. Go like this. This is the airplane fit. We have Nike socks. I'm gonna put on my Amazon fake Birks. Nike sweatpants. American Eagle, but from TJ Maxx. And then shoes. I didn't film much yesterday. I didn't film much yesterday because I didn't want to. Yeah, I didn't want to film.
No, did you see Chris's story? No. Go attack him.
Haul number 2, this time it's Starbucks and not Dunkin'. I got grande iced coffee. Yum. Nope. I got a berry trio parfait.
I got, I don't know, brown sugar shaken espresso. I don't know what I like here, so I just get whatever looks good. Starbucks on the
Why is it like that?
And then I got a sausage, egg, and cheddar. You know, a little brekkie. And then I also got a mozzarella and tomato sandwich on a plane.
For the plane, not on the plane. I get so stressed ordering from Starbucks.
So do I. That's why I never bought one. I never did.
It's so stressful.
Anyways, yum. Holy flipping leg room, guys. My feet are all the way extended. We're in row 4 this time. I said 7 was close. 4. We're...
Okay, I found the secret compartment. I don't really know what it is. Wait.
Ooh, there's one there.
Okay, wait, does it...
Fam, Emma. What are you watching, Emma? Oh, how fun. Are you liking the book? About to touch down back in Massachusetts.